is our kitchen right now. As you can see, everything's torn apart. And Anderson Renewal is going to come and make all of this happy and friendly and new and shiny. As you can see, we started with new countertops and cabinets because, well, because I was in denial about what really had to happen first. So I think the copper looks beautiful against the tape, flashing tape, but you know, it's all temporary. And then this is our torn up living room. As you can see, our beams, our boards, I don't know what those boards are. It's like a time capsule. I mean, these are obviously our before shots. Everything's all over the place. That was all gonna be taken out. It's gonna be one big, beautiful, larger window, lots more glass.